Eighth sum. Find the equation of the line if the perpendicular drawn from the origin makes an angle 30 degree with x-axis and its length is 12. Here that angle is given alpha equal to 30 degree and the length of perpendicular distance is 12. Both the things are given. So we can use the straight line formula directly. X cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to P. Here instead of alpha we can substitute 30 and instead of P we can substitute 12 now. So we have x cos 30 degree plus y sin 30 degree equal to 12. The value of cos 30 is root 3 by 2 and sin 30 is 1 by 2. And if you simplify, we have both the things as 2 as denominator. So root 3 x plus y divided by 2 equal to 12. Cross multiply, we have root 3x plus y equal to 24. Ninth problem. Find the equation of the straight lines passing through 8, 3 and having intercepts whose sum is 1. Here passing through the point is 8, 3 and the intercepts whose sum is 1 is given. So we can use the formula x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Here in the problem it's given a plus b equal to 1, that is nothing but the intercept, sum of the intercepts equal to 1, that is a plus b equal to 1, that b equal to 1 minus a. Therefore we have x by a plus y by 1 minus a. Instead of b we have to substitute 1 minus a equal to 1. So here 8, 3 is lies on the line, that is nothing but 8 by a plus 3 by 1 minus a equal to 1. If we take LCM here, 8 into 1 minus a plus 3 into a divided by a into 1 minus a equal to 1. Cross multiply this, we have 8 into 1 minus a plus 3a equal to a into 1 minus a. That is nothing but 8 minus 8a plus 3a equal to a minus a square. Take everything to the left hand side, we have 8 minus 5a minus a plus a square equal to 0. So if you simplify again, we have a square plus minus 6a plus 8 equal to 0. If you factorize, we have a minus 4 into a minus 2 equal to 0. Now we got the values of a as 4 and 2. Then we have to find the value of b now. If a equal to 4, b is 1 minus 4 equal to minus 3. If a equal to 2, b equal to 1 minus 2 equal to minus 1. So substitute this in the equations, intercepts equation, x by 4 plus y by minus 3 equal to 1. By taking LCM, we have minus 3x plus 4y equal to minus 12. Change the symbol. So 3x minus 4y equal to 12. This is for first one. And second one, we have the second value if a equal to 2 and b equal to minus 1. That intercept form is x by 2 plus y by minus 1 equal to 1. If we take LCM and simplify, we have minus x plus 2y equal to minus 2. 10th sum. Show that the point 1, 3, 2, 1 and 1 by 2, 4 are collinear by using concept of slope. Here 3 points are given, a of 1, 3 and b of 2, 1 and c of 1 by 2, 4. Here by the concept of slope we are going to find the points are collinear. For this slope, if we have 2 points, we have the formula for slope is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So the slope of AB is, we want to take these 2 points here, that AB, that is nothing but 1 minus 3 divided by 2 minus 1, that is nothing but minus 2 by 2, that is minus 1. And slope of BC, that BC is, we can take 4 minus 1 divided by half minus 2 equal to 3 by 1 minus 4 by 2. So if take LCM there, we can have this 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Take this 2 to the numerator, that is minus 6 by minus 3. That is nothing but minus 2. And slope of AB. Slope of AB equal to slope of BC. Therefore, we can say AB is parallel to BC. So now we can have that B is the common point here. Okay, so if two lines are parallel, if there is a common point, we can say the points A, B and C are collinear. And then for the same points, using the straight line, we want to find that points are collinear. So here equation of AB, we want to take the first A and B points there, 2-point formula. That is nothing but we have to use for this y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. So here substitute the values y minus 3 by minus 2 equal to x minus 1 by 1. Cross multiply. So we have y minus 3 equal to minus 2x plus 2. So if you substitute, simplify everything, we have 2x plus y minus 3 minus 2 equal to 0. That is nothing but 2x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. In this equation, substitute the value of c here, that c is 1 by 2 comma 4. So instead of x, 2 into 1 by 2 plus 4 minus 5 equal to 0. We can cancel here 2 and 2, that will be 1. 1 plus 4 minus 5 equal to 0. That is nothing but 0 equal to 0. So it implies the points A, B, C are collinear. And then the third division, they ask any other method. So we have the points as for A is 1, 3 and for B is this is for the point A, this is B and this is for C. Again the point A is here. Okay, we want to find the area. This is also we already learnt in 10th standard there. So how to do this? Just cross multiply downwards and upward, isn't it? So the area of the triangle ABC is half into here 3 2s are 6, 1 into half is half plus 4 into 1 is 4. So now we got this minus of. Now we have to write the downwards there. 1 1s are here 1 and 2 4s are 8 and 1 by 2 into 3 is nothing but 3 by 2. And then we want to simplify here. If you simplify, we got 10 plus 1 by 2 and here 9 plus 3 by 2. So remove the bracket here. So minus 9 and minus 3 by 2. Here 10 minus 9 is 1. Here half minus 3 by 2. That is nothing but minus 2 by 2. If you cancel, we got 1 here. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So half into 0 is nothing but 0. So the area of the triangle now we got is 0. That means if the triangle area of the triangle ABC equal to 0, we can say the points A, B, C are collinear. 11th problem. A straight line is passing through the point A of 1, 2 with slope 5 by 12. Find the points on the line which are 13 units away from A. Here a straight line is passing through the point A of 1, 2 with the slope 5 by 12. Here it is given and we want to find the point on the line which are 13 units away from A. Here we have to use the slope point form, that is nothing but y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Here x1 y1 is 1, 2 and slope is 5 by 12. Substitute in this equation, we have y minus 2 equal to 5 by 12 into x minus 1. Cross multiply. So 12 into y minus 2 equal to 5 into x minus 1. Remove the brackets. 12y minus 24 equal to 5x minus 5. Take everything to the left hand side. We have 5x minus 12y plus 19 equal to 0. So this is a straight line there, and here they ask for the 13 units away from A. So put x equal to 13. So now we have y of 13 minus 12y plus 19 equal to 0. So if you multiply 5 and 13, that is 65 minus 12y plus 19 equal to 0. And then simplify this. We have 84 minus 12y equal to 0. So 84 equal to 12y, y equal to 84 by 12, that is nothing but y equal to 17. So here x is 13 and y is 7. So now we got the point as 13, 7 is the required point there.